This is the last video from my DJI Mini 3 Pro before it crashed during the Earth Hour 2024.
Oh no!
Here's what happened. I was getting ready at KLCC Park for the Earth Hour drone shot to capture the moment when the towers shut off its light at 8:30 p.m. I've flew my drone for a few times at this location already, and I thought I am pretty familiar with the surrounding, but I still did some pre-flight before 8:30 just to be sure everything is all right. It was just after a pouring rain. The weather is humid, but still a great weather for some great drone shots. I wrapped up my pre-flight, everything looks good, and I'm ready to move to another location for the 8:30 Earth Hour. I've chosen this spot within the park that without too many trees around and a distant view to the Twin Towers. I took off my drone at 8:28 for the tower's lights off 2 minutes later. The tower's light started flickering, and I was rolling leftward to create some motion to my footage. Right before the lights off, the controller screen freeze. The warning message, aircraft not connected to RC, shown at the top left, and I had a very bad feeling about this. This is the flight path during the incident, as I retrieved from my DJI flight log. As you can see from the blue arrow, my drone was rolling left lens heading to the towers. The signal lost right at the point when it reached at the Roof Traders Hotel. I waited for a few minutes for the auto RTH to be triggered, as it normally does when the signal lost, but that never happened. I went to the point when my drone's last signal was recorded, but I can't find anything. It crashed when it hit the wall of Trader Hotel building, as it does not have side sensor, and even if it does, it does not work at night. This is a good lesson learned from me, and I've paid a high price for my night. If you are to fly a drone at night, do make sure that it is an open space without any buildings surrounding you. Also, please, always keep the drone within your visibility. Fly safe.